This is the world's fastest paper airplane. Look, I fold it as a book like this, and then I fold these wings like this, and then the other wing, and then I fold it like this, and then I fold it like this, and then I fold these ones like this, and then I and please put
In the comments.
please put it in the comments.
Good luck,
Good luck,
everybody.
everybody.